excited about today. Here's your pre-workout jolt. Just so you know, we are doing our barefoot deep detox, sexy sculpt, and stretch. We're going to be elongating the muscles, inhaling the positivity, exhaling the negativity. We're going to really get all of our chakras in alignment today. We're going to flush the negativity down the cosmic commode. We're going to ramp our spirits up, mind, body, spirit. This is a day to celebrate. You've been given another day today to crush your goals. There's some people out there in the hospital just wishing for your day, for your life, for what you have right now. They're praying for another breath to get through another day. So we're going to expand our lungs. We're going to get our heart just so happy because we are too blessed to be stressed. You know, life is just one big mental game, but you are playing against yourself. That's what it's all about. So stop looking outside at her and at him and at that and looking at your past because we're in 2020. That is so 2019. I want you to step into your VIP power. I want you to understand life is just one big mental game and the only person you're playing against is you. So stop creating the civil war. Here, should I do it? Should I not? Should I eat this? Should I not? Make a decision, have strong decision-making muscles, and step into the best version of yourself. That's the only way you can be consistent and persistent and make it fun. Make it fun. You know what? I want to say this. As a VIP, as your coach, when people quit, that's when we are just starting. We just start. That's our start level. When people quit, oh, this is too hard. I can't do this. Poopy pants, pooty party. You know what? Sometimes I just want to give a grown person a bottle, swaddle them up, put a diaper on them, and give them a good burp because they're acting like babies. You got to toughen up in life. That's what we're talking about. Last week was mental toughness in our 4-part, actually 5-part, New Year, New You webinar series. So you've got to understand, wow, when other people quit, that's just when I'm starting. That's how strong I am. You know, I want you to understand that Michael Jordan missed 9,000 shots in his career, okay? And he's almost lost 300 games 26 times. But that's how you do it. You got to show up and believe in yourself and be willing to fail yourself into success. You know, I went over and did our VIP goals here on the vision board. All of our VIPs are crushing goals because they know what their goals are. Some people are still like wiping their eyes. What am I going to do today? I don't even know what my goals are. Should I do that? Because they're confused. We got to remove all the barriers, the confusion, the toxic people, the fake friends, the frenemies, and get really real. Shoulder to shoulder, VIP sisters stand. We stand shoulder to shoulder beside each other, marching to our goals. It's up to us to crush our goals. And I don't want you to look back come December 2020 and say, wow, I wasted another year. No, as a VIP, I want you to look back and say, dang, I crushed this year. I started 2020 out strong. And because I was accountable, I was persistent, I led a disciplined lifestyle, I got rid of wasted habits that were just wasting my time, money, and energy, and that you are visualizing your rewards of success. You're seeing it here. All right? Oh my God, I'm so ramped up, amped up. I will see you guys at 8 a.m. for our deep detox, sexy sculpt and stretch. We're going to be doing tons of positive affirmations. Again, you want to be barefoot, okay, because we're going to grip our feet into the ground, stretch out our feet, stretch out our ankles. Everything from the top of your head to the tips of your toes will be vibrating higher after this class. I can't wait. I will see you guys then. If you're not a member, join jnlvip.com. $1 for your first 30 days of your transformation, $24.99 every month after that. Don't you think you're worth it? Get your 4 quarters together. Don't you think you're worth it? Challenge yourself. Get out of your own way. It's not your boss, your ex-boyfriend, your bad friend, the neighbor. It's you. Get out of your own way and demand more of yourself. Let's do it. I believe in you. Yes. Love you, Michelle. Let's go, Nina. Woo. Let's do this.